Kevin, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got that dyno it. Everything went great. Give you a kind of description of this combination. Got the FR cylinder heads on it. It's a hydraulic roller motor. That's custom ground by comp cams. Custom J&E pistons. 4340 crank. H-beam rods. Got the Edelbrock air gap. Quick fuel SS 750 MSD Pro billet. Got the March super beam belt set up on it. Make sure the alternator charges for you. See your engine, there'll be a tag on a distributor, have timing specs, things of that nature. Make sure when you first fire it up, get a timing light on it, meets that criteria. Taking the console, we'll show you that ran. Alright, 2500, it's 437 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque looks like 520. Peak horsepower, 510. It's basically a 500 horsepower motor, and the customer upgraded the cylinder heads. So at the front end on a 500, it'd run like, yeah, it's about 15 off, so it'd be 485. So you're probably looking at a good 25 horsepower gain with the AFR heads. Still makes exceptionally good torque. So go out now, pull the pipes back, rev it up, make sure it's good and clean for you. Have a great day.